Hello, my dear students. Myself Vinay Nityanand, ICS Mahesh PU College, Dharwad. In last previous two modules, we have been discussing about chemical properties of alcohols. That chemical properties are still continuing in this module also. Yes, in the seventh one property, that is oxidation, dehydrogenation. My dear student, D means to remove, hydrogen is hydrogen. Dehydrogenation is a removal of hydrogen. In the previous module, I told dehydration, that is a removal of water molecules. This is different. This is a removal of hydrogen. During oxidation, how alcohols are losing hydrogen? Watch here. There is hydrogen is present with the carbon. Hydrogen is also with oxygen. This hydrogen eliminated as hydrogen molecule. Then the remaining product is what? C double bond O. This C double bond O is a carbonyl compound, maybe aldehyde or a ketone. Next, okay, let us consider some of the examples regarding the oxidation of alcohols. I am taking primary alcohols. This is primary alcohol. Upon oxidation, forms aldehyde. This one upon further oxidation forming carboxylic acid. Now the secondary alcohols, the secondary alcohols upon oxidation in the presence of a chromium anhydride or chromic trioxide, the formed product is ketone. But the tertiary alcohol do not undergo oxidation reaction. In this way, by using oxidation phenomena, we can also, this one is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. And for the oxidation of primary alcohols, one important note be remember, PCC. What is that? Pyridinium chlorochromate, a complex of chromium trioxide and pyridine and HCl, which is a better oxidizing agent for primary alcohols to yield aldehydes in a good amount, good yield. Next one more important distinguishing test we are using. The same oxidation only, the same dehydrogenation only, but we are using heated copper catalyst as an oxidizing agent. The primary alcohol upon oxidation forming an aldehyde. Next, for the secondary alcohol upon oxidation forming ketone. Okay, but these two are undergoing dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen. But in the case of tertiary alcohols, the condition is different. Heated copper catalyst is the same oxidizing agent. The formed product is not any carbonyl compound, an aldehyde or a ketone, but it is an alkene. Why it would happen? Because the tertiary alcohol never undergo oxidation or never undergo dehydrogenation. Instead of that, it has undergone dehydration. In this way, this one also is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Next, some commercially important alcohols. Methanol, formula is CH3OH. It is also calling as wood spirit because it was obtained by destructive distillation of wood. But nowadays, how to produce this one? By catalytic hydrogenation only. Okay, for that, the reacting conditions are water gas. Mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is calling as water gas. Okay, reacted in the presence of a zinc oxide and a chromium trioxide as a catalyst. About 300 atmospheric pressure, temperature is 573 to 673 Kelvin, then the methanol is forming. Then one more is ethanol, formula is C2H5OH. Commercially, it is prepared from sugarcane juice. Okay, this sugarcane juice, sucrose, is treating with an enzyme invertase converted into glucose and fructose. Next, this glucose and fructose, anyone you have to take. Now it is treating with an enzyme Zymus. Then the formed product is ethanol with the liberation of a carbon dioxide molecule. Thank you.